guys are really struggling pretty hard and they don't really get it all together and they're not doing it all right and they need you and you need them. I'm not saying you be pure and then leave the others behind you. No, listen, you're all in the same plane, fighting the same battle, messing up the same amount of times, and you need each other. I remember the first time someone asked me about my purity. I was like 14 years old. It was a guy, he just asked me straight up about my purity. And I remember being like, wait, I'm not the only one that deals with this? You are too? Then to my shock and awe, I realized, oh, every single guy that has ever lived on the history of the planet deals with this? Good to know. Why? Because then you can go to some other guys and you can actually make it through the fight for purity. You need some unity. They had a common purpose as soldiers. You are needed and you need other people. Let me tell you about Conviction 101. Conviction is when you know you did something wrong, man, and you say, oh man, I did that wrong. You need to come to the altar and you need to repent. You need to talk to somebody, man, I can't believe I did that. I messed up again. God, I repent. That's good, and that's conviction, but that's Conviction 101. Conviction 102 is when you know what? I should be doing something else right now. I shouldn't be here. I should be hanging out with her. I'm going to delete her phone number right off my phone. I'm getting them off Facebook. I'm getting off Facebook myself. It's 1 in the morning. I'm not going to go out to that party. Conviction 102 is knowing what you should not be doing. You know? Conviction 101, man, I did that. Oh, Conviction 102 is saying, I'm not going to do that. I'm convicted not only to not do that, but I'm going to do something else with my life. I'm going to make something else a priority. I'm going to hang out with some other people. I'm going to go to a different small group. I'm going to do something with my life. That's right. And I'm not going to do something I shouldn't do. You with me?